Okay, your lab, so we can get done. We didn't actually cover anything from the course today, but that's all right. All right, so lab 3 is going to be an additional lab that I have not given in this course before, but it'll probably be very helpful. First off, it is absolutely vital, again, that you understand pointers and consequently the different types of memory space, static, stack, and heap. If you don't learn about pointers and those aren't in your brain, you're going to fail this course. That's just how it's going to be. So this is all a bunch of pointer questions. That's all this is. Note, when a question asks for the value of a variable, if it is a known number, like you know that I go int x equals 5, what is the value of x? 5. Then you write down 5. If it's a memory address, write what the memory address is pointing to, aka the variable x holds the memory address of the variable y, or the object, an object on the heap, or it holds the memory address of some array of integers on the heap as well. If it cannot be determined, write undefined. Okay? All right. I literally give you code fragments. And for the first ones, you can actually just type these up and get the answer. But afterwards, it's not going to help. Please try not to type these up and run. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't just type these up and run them to get the answer. Make sure you understand how the answer came about, because I wrote this so the beginning is fairly straightforward, hopefully. And then it's going to, because we just have simple code fragments, x is 32, y is, what's y here? Well, that's actually one of your questions. What is the value of y? Hopefully.
Y is 32.
First off, what's the type? What is y's type? Pointer to an integer. And then I've set it equal to what? Not x. What's in front of that x? When you see that ampersand, just think memory location of ampersand. When you see that ampersand, for now on, just replace that with memory location of.
Is that what you want for that answer? The value
Yes.
of y is the memory address of x?
Yeah.
Okay.
The variable x holds the memory address of variable y. I just wrote it backwards up here, just to make sure you see. All right, so I came up with a couple of answers for you. Stack. They're going to start to get a little more complicated. Down here, we'll start using arrays.
Double pointer questions on there?
There might be. Go looking. A little more with arrays. Great. And then down here, here's your double pointer. Oh boy.
Did you cover that?
I hope we covered that. So what's z? Well, actually, I'll have to let you think about this. Actually run the code and see what it's doing, and maybe you can figure out what exactly is going on. But yeah, try and answer these. And then the last one, keep in mind the last one's worth 25 points. The other ones are worth 15. So this is most of it. Really, if you can get number 6 and understand what's going on, that's going to help immensely moving forward. Really all it is just a student object. I got some student pointers. Oh, I never told you what this does. Can anyone take a guess what this is? We'll go ahead and answer this one. Okay. What is that highlighted code doing?
There's two slides.
All right, so it has the word new, which means it's allocating memory where? All right, so it's going to allocate some memory on the heap. What is it allocating?
It's an array.
It's an array, not of student objects, of student what? It's going to allocate, it's going to be an array of length 100, where every entry is a pointer to a student. Yeah, it's an array of pointers. It's an array of student pointers. This is just real quickly how I create a random number between 0 and 4 using doubles. This is called bubble sort. Y'all haven't done bubble sort yet. That's fine. I don't expect y'all to. It's sorting. Does anyone here not know what sorting is? Okay, good. So what this is going to do is put the highest GPA at the end of the array and the lowest GPA at the bottom. And it's using bubble sort, which is one of the most inefficient sortings, but it's also one of the shortest to type up and hardest to get wrong. And then it prints it out at the end. Okay. So it's the value of students pointers, which of the above is being sorted. That's great. Write the code to sort students using a single for loop. Oh, what am I asking here? Well, I want to know how you can sort this guy. You're going to have to think about that. It'll make more sense when you get to that question. And then write the commands to free memory. That's going to be the last thing in pretty much all of them. Due a week from today. Any questions so I can at least give you some lab time today? Hey, it's actually more than normal. Yes.
Both lab 1 and 2.
Due tonight?
Yeah, we can guess to
They said Thursday.
They're due Thursday. 1 second. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. This is easy. I'm going to go with whatever I wrote, all right?
I watched the lab.
The 15th. 15th?
You said you give us extra time on the video.
They are due, no, they're both due Thursday. They are both due Thursday. That only makes sense. Yeah, that's the only way it makes sense. They're both due Thursday. Okay?
When I watched the video, it said like, you said like you give us extra time because we like had to.
I don't know where that 15 came from. It's due the 18th. Any other questions? All right, I'm going to go fix these labs real quick. Y'all have lab time now, and enjoy. Yeah, definitely get those pointer problems knocked out, and I will see you on Thursday. How you doing?